their eyes. Look at their hair. Ulo, pariwan. Look at their ears. Look at their nose. Look at their teeth. Smell their breath. Pangita mo, timainhan kanila. Because remember, no matter what happens, remember such face. For it is the reason why you are here. You share the same burden. You share the same success. You work with one another and strive to be here. Keep that in your memories, for it will become a treasure to reminisce.
Quincha na.
And now, look at your teachers.
Murag.
Look at Sister Lilia. Look at Ma'am Babe. Of course, look at Sir Marty. Look at all of them wearing those fancy clothes as if they're graduating. But of course, reminding us. Co-graduates, despite their looks, their charming looks, they're the ones who mold us, who mold the character, and nurture us to become fully equipped and competent professionals. Without them, I don't know what am I going to do here. Kung nag-istorya ba ko, iniya sa inyong atubangan, o kapag ba ko mag-English, hindi na, nagsuti kami. And lastly, look at your parents. Tanaw mo. Look at your parents. Look at them. Congratulations. Those faces, my dear, are the very reason why you're here. They endured the weight of the labor and even endured hearing your beautiful complaints just to see you here, bearing these tears proudly. It is sad to say that some of them did not chance to witness this prestigious event. To watch you walking in the hallway, in the red carpet rather, and to hear your name being called in front of the masses. As a graduate of Mount Carmel College of San Francisco, remember the reason why you are here and why you made it all the way down here is them. That's why we should thank God for giving them to us. Ma'am, Pa, thank you for everything. Words can't express how thankful I am to be your son.
Wow.
And graduates, remember, you are all destined for greatness. Each and every one of you has the potential to show the world, to change its very core. I ask you to follow your dreams and do what makes you happy.
Thank you sa kuha.
Batch mates, strive to be the best version of yourself. Fly into the heavens and live life because you are a warrior and you are worth it. Be phenomenal. Congratulations, Batch 2016-2017. May the good Lord bless and keep you till we meet again.